What if you could launch a dropshipping business with no inventory, no shipping headaches, and no coding, all in just minutes? That's right, one AI-powered tool that builds your entire e-commerce store for you. Products, images, descriptions, and suppliers included. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Doba, one of the most powerful and trusted dropshipping platforms in the world. And I think you'll be blown away by what it can do for your business. Before we dive in, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts at the end of the video. All right, let's get into it. So, what exactly is Doba? Doba is a US-based B2B dropshipping platform built to help entrepreneurs launch and scale fast. Today, Doba gives you access to over 1 million products across categories like home, garden and tools, pets, sports, beauty and health, electronics, and more, all from pre-vetted suppliers. Many suppliers ship directly from the US, which means faster delivery times and happier customers. And here's the best part. Doba integrates with all the major platforms: Shopify, Amazon, eBay, TikTok Shop, Temu, and more. That means whether you're just starting out or already running a store, connecting your business to Doba takes just a click. Now, what makes Doba stand out from other dropshipping tools? AI-powered tools. At the top of the Doba dashboard, you'll see the AI Hub. This is where the magic happens. AI Store Builder builds a complete Shopify store for you with banners, categories, and trending products. AI Product Finder recommends profitable, high-margin products tailored to your niche. AI Auto Lister automatically imports those products into your store with optimized titles, tags, and SEO. Automated inventory and fulfillment. Doba updates stock and pricing in real time so you never oversell. Orders go straight to suppliers, who ship directly to your customers. You keep the profit, no warehouses, no stress. Strict supplier screening. Every supplier is vetted, ensuring reliable products and fewer refund headaches. No minimum orders. Unlike traditional wholesalers, you only pay when you sell. Education and support. With a standard subscription, you even get access to the Doba Elite Academy, a $750 value e-commerce course designed to help beginners and pros succeed. Now, here's something new and exciting: Doba Video Hub. Inside, you'll find sourcing ideas, expert picks on trending products to help you choose what sells, influencer picks, products tested and loved by creators, giving instant social proof. Supplier showcases, a library of free high-quality product video ads, ready to download and use in your own marketing. No filming required. How Doba works step by step. Here's a quick breakdown of how to launch your business with Doba. Create your account, head over to doba.com and sign up. They currently offer a 14-day trial for just 99 cents, which is perfect to test everything. Connect your store. In the dashboard, click Connect a new store and integrate your Shopify, Amazon, or eBay shop. Find products. Use the catalog or AI product finder to search by niche, supplier, or shipping speed. Doba's top sellers and TikTok shop selections help you spot trending items fast. Import to store. With one click, import products into your store. Titles, images, and descriptions are pre-optimized. Go live, publish your products, and start selling. Order fulfillment. When a customer buys, Doba automatically routes the order to the supplier, who ships directly to your customer. You keep the profit. That's it, a complete e-commerce store in minutes. Why people trust Doba. Doba isn't just for beginners. It's trusted by entrepreneurs, influencers, and even celebrities. Why? Shipping takes 2 to 5 business days from US warehouses. 30-day refund policy and prepaid returns for damaged goods. Access to over 1 million products without ever touching inventory. A platform that's been around for over 20 years, making it one of the oldest and most reliable in the industry. So if you're serious about launching a business that doesn't eat up your time, money, or energy, Doba's AI-powered dropshipping tools are an absolute game changer. Click the link in the description to sign up for your trial today. And of course, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss more tools and strategies to grow your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.